Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two powerful ASUS motherboards, the ROG Strix B550-F and the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS. Both motherboards are designed for gamers, but they cater to different generations of AMD Ryzen processors. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your gaming needs. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is compatible with 3rd and 5th generation AMD Ryzen processors, making it a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their existing systems. In contrast, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS is designed for the latest 7000 series Ryzen CPUs, providing cutting-edge technology for new builds. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users planning their upgrades or new builds. When it comes to memory, the ROG Strix B550-F supports DDR4 RAM, allowing for a maximum of 128 GB at speeds up to 4,400 MHz. Meanwhile, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS steps up to DDR5, supporting the latest memory technology with speeds up to 6,400 MHz. This advancement in memory support can significantly enhance performance, especially in memory-intensive applications. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F features PCIe 4.0, which provides faster data transfer rates for compatible devices. On the other hand, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS offers PCIe 5.0, which is the latest standard, allowing for even faster speeds and better performance for high-end graphics cards and storage solutions. This makes the B650-PLUS a more future-proof option for gamers and builders looking to maximize their system's potential. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS offer excellent features for gamers, but they cater to different needs. The B550-F is ideal for those using older Ryzen processors, while the B650-PLUS is perfect for new builds with the latest technology. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.